We are locked and loaded with the trailer and the Turbo GMC. What are we going to pick up today? You'll have to stay tuned and see. Make a quick stop in here to Turkey Hill, make sure everything's good with the trailer. We did check the brakes and actually the wheel bearings and tire pressure before we left, but we're just going to make sure everything's looking good. We're good to go. Let's head on up the highway. Waiting here at a red light. I'm not sure how much I'll be able to talk about what we're picking up or if I'll even be able to show it, but we'll get there and we'll figure it out. Anyway, we are in the Turbo GMC and a lot of people have been asking specific questions. I have answered most, if not all, of those questions before on other videos, but since I have so much, they're older videos, probably a year or so old. So since I've had so many inquiries about it, I'm going to make a full detailed video about this truck again. It does pull the trailer awesome. It sounds amazing. Maybe on the way back we'll strap a GoPro to the front of the trailer and just listen to the exhaust with a loaded trailer. I know that was one of the comments, is how's it sound loaded, how's it do loaded, all that kind of thing. So let's get there. And by the way, we did get monetized. I think I mentioned that in another video, so thanks for all the support, and we finally got there. Now we just need to work to keep growing. All right guys, we have arrived, and as you can tell by the surroundings, we are at Sendit Steve's. And I can't show everything because he's got top secret stuff here, but we're about ready to load up the OBS.
I am Sendit Steve. We got my buddy Vince over here from Tunnel Chaser. Definitely check him out. But Idio.com giveaway Jeep, and we're going to announce a winner. One of you are about to get a phone call, and I'm actually excited. I'm sort of excited.
I'm extremely sorry that it took this long, but it was my fault. I couldn't get up here to do the announcement. I know a lot of you guys were reaching out to him, some of you reaching out to me, wondering when it was going to be done. It's completely my fault, but we are here to pick a random name, and Steve's going to give you a call, probably late night too, randomly.
I might call you randomly late night. I hope you're okay with that. I'm sorry. All right, so we're doing the random generator.
Yeah, so the names are all listed.
Left. Yep. Bring it right. Hold on. When you went up, it lifted the ass end of your truck and dove it that way. So how do you? Let me back up. If you want, I have a real truck up here. that we could hook to it and it won't lift it up. No? I'm curious of what fell out of it. Oh, from the power steering pump. It's the O-ring kit. Obviously, you guys see I didn't use the O-ring. I must have fell under there and I didn't see it. You know I have ramps like right there. Like mine are right there. Like right there. 11 feet away. Alright, stand by. I'm gonna help Danny so her truck doesn't roll out into the street again. Alright guys, so definitely stay tuned for this. It's going down to Danny's. We want to watch where he's going with this, what he's doing. Are you going to post about it? No. Okay, then don't go to Chandy's and screw Danny.
Alright guys, we got it all strapped down, loaded. We definitely need to wash the mud off. And we're about ready to leave here, I think. Definitely strapped down. Hopefully it's going to ride nice. We're on a hill here, so I can't really tell yet. Probably going to end up having to lose this for future hauls because it definitely stops from moving the vehicle up far enough. But we're going to see. We're going to get out on the road and hopefully it's good. Alright guys, the GMC's running. I know it's loud, but we just picked up 4 brand new tires. Let me throw this in there. At Tool Shed America. Big thanks for those guys for staying here a little bit past closing time. But there they are, guys. 4 brand new wheel tire combos for the trailer. Let's get this thing home. Cruising now, guys. 65, no problems. It's nice and smooth. Hopefully it stays that way. It is 86 degrees out. It's actually starting to cool down. It was 88, 89, so. Turbo just screaming as we take off in traffic here. GMC's doing amazing though. I mean, it's a full-size Chevy truck and I don't know what they weigh, but it's at least 5,000 pounds plus the trailer, and it's just pulling it like it doesn't even care it's back there. All right, guys, we made it home. Obviously, back at the shop, made it with no issues. I lost a little bit of mud, but that's kind of a good thing. This thing is extremely muddy underneath. Unfortunately, that's the first thing we got to address, is get rid of all this mud. So, actually, the first thing we got to do is get this unloaded. So let's get that done first. As you can see, guys, we got the Turbo GMC back home inside the garage. It did amazing again. Always pulls whatever you put behind it. That turbo on the 6-liter gas works extremely well for pulling. But anyway, we also picked up our tires for the car trailer. So we got 4 brand new wheels and tires. We'll get them bolted on probably today. I didn't get near as much filming, you know, sound wise and stuff like that of the GMC towing. I was just trying to kind of get the OBS loaded back here, do whatever I needed to do, and I was running late, so that didn't happen. I do still plan on making a whole video on this truck. There's probably 3 or 4 other videos of the same thing with this truck, but they're older, and I don't know if there's one. I've been getting a lot of questions about this truck, so I'm just going to kind of go over the whole thing again, make a fresh video, and try and make it all into one video so you don't have to search to get the answers. So it is an STS turbo system that I've kind of modified over the years, and I'll just go over that whole thing in another video. We'll try and get that done pretty soon here. I do get a lot of questions about this truck, so it's been a good truck. I actually bought it new, but we'll put all that in the next video. As far as the OBS, it's outside here. If you like the content, guys, please subscribe. Thanks for tuning in. Have a good day.